这里是不是回高寨的路？是吗？是吧？这就对了。东啊，还没往你转的吧？啊。你这里就能看到你家了？这里还看不到呢，还要再上去才能看得到呢。If I big water, you look in this mountain up, have water view good. Looking same here.
Yes, okay.
So now always where I go swimming is in the dam. So you don't know what time they will have water. You looking where here raining? Looking another summer. Looking at here.
No have rain in there?
Huh?
No have rain in there?
You looking at what have rain?
Titignan daw tayong prutas. Tingnan mo ang view. Ganda-ganda ng view. Gusto ko nilang manirahan sa bundok. Oh my God. Diba? Ganda. Ganda ng bundok. Sarap akyatin. Charis. Ang asawa ko. Oh, may aso. Uy, yung balbon mo naman. Oh, ganda mo. Ang cute-cute mo naman. Ito naman mukhang ano. Oh, matapang. Pero ang cute ng balbon dyan. Hi. Hi. Let's go.
等下估计要到云里面发一天，才有点不来。
Ganda. Ganda ng bundok. Laki ng bato. Andun kami kanina. Bahay ni tita. What's that smell? Go, Daddy, go. What fruit na?
This one.
Have na?
But none.
Let's go, look here. Go, Daddy. How to go walk in there? Maybe in here. In here, oh. You go anywhere, you're so crazy na in here. So, maganda daan dito. Tinadala mo ko sa ano. Uy, ubi, oh, ubi. Ito, di ko alam. Ubi, ano. Magkapang na. Oh my God. Nadala mo ko sa damo, honey. Ubi.
It's the flower you're looking. This tomato flower in here.
In where?
This one. You've seen this flower.
Ah.
And this one you're looking. This ago we have tried this one. This the Donaldsons can eating.
So it means this one is ano also?
Hmm?
How to say it? Fruits? Vegetable?
Some the vegetable.
Have something na?
Yeah, the ladies are here.
Have na?
Can't tell I'm going to
Carrot look naman. Sabi niya may prutas daw. Sundan nga atong lalaki na to. Go. Where's the fruits? Ha? Oh, tataas ng budok ko. No, have fruits naman, be. Maybe it's not the time. You could look at Hannah? Ha? Wala naman eh. Finish na. You haven't took and then now it's finished already. It's okay. Huh?
No, it's time na. You looking this to say. It's time already.
Die already? Well, nasa already na?
No, na. It's a big Danny. It's the float is big Danny.
It's all done, you know.
Looking this up is floating. This ago is near that day. Then they have it again. They have it again. Not there.
But no have fruits naman. They only have leaves.
I have no.
What's that?
This ago last 2 years.
Wala mong prutas. Go. Ba, ang ganda-ganda tumira dito. Mag-ano ko lang. But I told you I want to stay here na eh. You look, I only want to make vegetable na lang. So na, make the house. Yun ang bahay niya.
I give you 700 RMB.
Sabi ko pa renovate. You fix it first. Bathroom, then water.
Water, I can't get na. Water, I in the up.
Bathroom, no have. So if I want to go bathroom, I always go to Tita house. So crazy na. You make na nga eh. Then I will stay here na lang.